the soft lips. Yeah, you know word of mouth. The square root of 69 is 8 something, right? Cause I've been trying to work it out. Go, white wine. I come alive in the nighttime. Yeah, okay, away we go. Only thing we have on is the radio. Let it play. Say you gotta leave, but I know you wanna stay. You just waiting on the traffic jam to finish, girl. The things that we can do in 20 minutes, girl. Say my name, wear it out. It's getting hot, crack the window, air it out. I can get you through a mighty long day. Soon as you go, the text that I write is gon' say.
Everybody knows how to work my body, knows how to make me want it. But boy, you stay up on it. You got the something that keeps me so off balance. Baby, you're a challenge. Let's explore your talent. Hey boy, I really wanna see if you can go downtown with a girl like me. Hey boy, I really wanna be with you, cause you just my type. Oh na 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 na, I need a boy to take it over. Looking for a guy to put you over. Oh 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 na na na. What's my name? Oh na na na. What's my name? Oh na na na. What's my name? What's my name? You got me, and ain't nowhere that I'd be than with your arms around me. Back and forth you rock me, yeah. So I surrender to every word you whisper, every door you enter. Hey boy, I really wanna see if you can go downtown with a girl like me. Hey boy, I really wanna be with you, cause you're just my type. Oh na 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 na, I need a boy to take it over. Looking for a guy to put you over. Oh 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 oh. You're so amazing, you took the time to figure me out. That's why you take me way past the point of turning me on. You're about to break me, I swear you got me losing my mind.
Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yeah, yes sir.
I got new shoes on my ride.
Yes sir,
Rolling down 95.
yes sir,
And you can see in my eyes.
Yes, sir.
That I'm looking for a cutie pie.
Yes, sir.
And we gotta make love.
Yes, sir.
And we can just cuddle up.
Yes, sir.
But if she want me to beat it up,
Yes, sir.
then damn it, I'll beat it up.
Yes, sir.
Your body, my body, your body, my body, your body, my body.
I don't know why, but the ladies call it, they can do the stick, they take me and make me and make me, they beat down. I live in freak, if they married, I speak, if they look like wifey material, then I get back. Stunting through the city, trying to find a lady who's beautiful, but she gotta have booty too. Baby blue, gon' let you do what you wanna do. You can feel on it if you really want to. Get a taste of this salami, knock you down like a tsunami, busting you like a tornado. I'm a head on my class, get head in the jacket, get a duffel bag, see Benjamin heads on the gas.
Got new shoes on my ride.
Yes, sir.
Rolling down 95.
Yes, sir.
And you can see in my eyes.
Yes, sir.
That I'm looking for a cutie pie.
Yes, sir.
And we gotta make love.
Yes, sir.
And we can just cuddle up.
Yes, sir.
But if she want me to beat it up,
Yes, sir.
then damn it, I'll beat it up.
Yes, sir.
My body, your body, my body, your body, my body, your body, my body, your body.
Yeah, top it down, blue star tag, open at the best, getting rugs in the jet. Spectac with the back, chick in the back, trying to beat it up like the everlast punching bag. Hotter than a biscuit biscuit out the oven. Your baby mama go on mission to get this loving. We kissing and hugging, she never pick up phone up. You be looking for while we doing the donut. She complain when she catch back spaces, but she love when she get the back to back.
or where I record. I mean, he was Adam, I think I was Eve. But my vision ends with the apple on the tree. That's on my chest cause I ain't ready to save him. Ready to give up on anybody that plays him. And I think I love him just like I raised him. When he call me mama, little mama, I call
Everybody's
him
like, he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listened.
Done with the hair, as you guys can tell. So let's get into the hair details. This hair is from Hug Meat Hair Store. It's 30 inches of 6, 13 by 6 lace front wig, 200 density body wave, and it did come pre-plucked with baby hair. Yeah, so your girl tried to dye this hair in, y'all see this part, the top, and then look at the bottom. Like, they like 2 different colors, but that doesn't matter because it looks good. But it is body wave hair, and I did straighten it because I just feel like if you're gonna do some curly hair with 613, then you need to know how to really curl. Like, your curls need to eat down, and my curls wasn't gonna eat down, so I didn't do it. But y'all can't tell me I didn't grow this out my scalp because I did, hunty. Anyways, this lace, oh my gosh, what lace? I don't see one. Like, I grew this. Y'all can't tell me I didn't grow this. Hair is so tea, and it's 30 inches, and the inches is definitely giving 30 because it's at my butt. So yeah, I'll give this wig a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend get you one. Enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can be notified. You know this, man. Without further ado, peace.